to Let's Play Free Code Camp. Today we're going to be solving the Intermediate Algorithm Scripting Challenge, Search and Replace. So we're going to perform a search on a sentence using an argument provided and return a new sentence. So the first argument is the string sentence we're going to search on. Second argument is the word we're looking to replace, and the third argument is what we're going to replace it with. So then it has a note to preserve the case of the first character in the original word when you are replacing it. For example, if you're replacing the word book with the word dog, it should be dogs capitalized. Dog capitalized. So we just need to worry about capitalization as well. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to declare a variable called split. And all we're going to do in that is we're going to say string.split by a space. So we're going to take each word out of the sentence. And then we're going to say for var x equals 0, x is less than split dot length x plus plus plus. So we're going to iterate through each word in our sentence, and we're going to say if split x is equal to before. Just think about if this check will still work. Oh no, it will because it's before. Okay, is equal to before. Then, so first we check that the word is the one to switch, and if it is the one to switch, we're in this block of code here, and then the next thing that we need to check is if the first letter is uppercased. So we're going to define a regex up here, and we're going to say upcase, and it's going to be a regular expression, and it's a pretty basic one. We're just going to say at the beginning of the string, is it a capital letter in this character class? So now down in here, we're going to say if upcase dot test split x. So if our, let's actually check, do we get the word capital if it's capital? Yeah, so we can just put our before in here so we don't have to go searching through the array again. So we're going to say if the first letter of the word is uppercase, and we're doing that using the test regex function. So we're running our string through this regular expression. You can learn more about regular expressions by searching for them. It's a very basic one. It's saying at the beginning of the word, is it a letter in this character class of capital letters? So if the upcase test passes, we're going to do one thing, else we're going to do another thing. So if it doesn't pass, so if the word is not updated, then we're going to say split x is equal to after, and we're done. But if it is upcased, then we're going to say split x is equal to, and then we're actually going to write a secondary function just so it doesn't get too messy. So we're going to call this function first upcase, and we're going to pass in our word we're going to put in first letter, just to make it a little more clear. So now we're going to define our function. So we're going to say function first letter upcase string, and it's being passed into it. So then, got a little error there. So then what we're going to do is we're going to return string dot character at 0 dot to uppercase plus string dot split 1. Something feels wrong about this. Let's give it a run through and see what split is equal to. Console.log split dot join. So we're just rejoining our words into a sentence separated by spaces. Yeah, and as I thought, it's, I gotta see where we're getting this split. So it comes out and joining it twice. It looks like it is making the update. So then we'll return that split dot join. But I get the feeling that it's only working for our cases that don't use our first letter uppercase function. I think something's wrong with that. So we're going to run that, and as I suspected, we've got something wrong down here. So maybe it's not split, it's something like that. String dot slice. Yeah, so we're going to start at the first element. So string dot slice, it slices a string to pull out a piece, and you can pass in two arguments. We're only going to use the first one, and that first one is where we're going to start our split. So by starting at 1, we're skipping the first element of the string, which we've just turned into an uppercase letter here, and we're rejoining them. So we're taking the remainder of the string plus the first letter of the string uppercase. So when we run this, all of our tests should pass because they're already passing. We just need to fix our uppercase conversion. Run the tests. Cool beans. Thanks for watching.